With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is what will the concentration of Ca plus 2 in a sample of 1 liter hard water if after treatment with washing soda 10 gram insoluble CaCO3 is precipitated? Options are 0.2 molar, 0.1 molar, 0.3 molar, 0.4 molar. So in the question we are given that we have a hard water sample of 1 liter. So hard water contains salts of calcium and magnesium. Now in this 1 liter hard water we have to find out the concentration of Ca2 plus ion. Now what is done? This hard water sample, it is treated with washing soda. So washing soda is sodium carbonate. The formula for washing soda is Na2CO3. Now when hard water is treated with washing soda, the calcium ions in Now when hard water is treated with washing soda, the calcium ions in hard water will react with washing soda and produce precipitate of calcium carbonate and 2Na plus ions. Now the weight of this precipitate is 10 grams. So from the reaction stoichiometry we can see that 1 mole of Ca2 plus ions produce 1 mole of CaCO3. But we have 10 grams CaCO3. So in 10 grams we'll calculate number of moles. So number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. So the mass given is 10 grams and molar mass of CaCO3 is 40 gram per mole. Therefore, the number of moles in 10 gram CaCO3 are 0.25 mole. Now it is clear that 0.25 mole CaCO3 are present, which are produced from 0.25 mole of Ca2 plus. So now we have number of moles of calcium ion and we have volume of the solution. So we can now calculate molarity. So molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. So here the number of moles of solute are 0.25 mole and the volume of solution is 1 liter, which is equal to 0.25 units are mole per liter, that is molar, approximately equal to 0.3 molar. So the correct option is option 3, 0.3 molar. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.